Hi everyone, my name is Minnie. I'm a PA at the Med Spa.
Hi everyone, my name is Lena and I'm a patient care coordinator for the weight loss program, also at the Med Spa.
And welcome to our Skin Couch episode.
Yay! Some of the common questions that I've been getting from a lot of our patients, Minnie, is, I'm almost there, I'm getting close to my goal. What do I do next and how do I maintain after so I don't gain all the weight back? What is some feedback that you give them?
So once patient reach the goal weight, typically I recommend tapering off slowly, because if you were to stop the medication abruptly, all your appetite can come back and that can lead to overeating and regaining the weight. So we try to taper them off slowly every month, the same way that we titrate them up. Obviously, make sure that you have a good exercise routine in and follow with well-balanced diet. If you're not ready to go off of the medication completely, there's a maintenance plan that we have for the patients.
So it's interesting that you bring that up, Minnie, because I've noticed in my, own experience and what I've been seeing out there is that our program is a little bit more customized in regards to tapering people off and creating their plan afterwards versus a lot of other weight loss companies that I've seen out there. It seems like their treatment plans are not as customized to the patient.
Yeah.
And it's almost like they have this cookie cutter, dosing schedule or dose titration. I don't know if that's something that other places offer, but I don't think that that's something that's, out there too much. What do you think?
Yeah, absolutely. So everybody is different. So it's not with weight loss, everybody responds differently to the medication. And then depending on their diet and exercise, people lose weight at different rates. So even while we're titrating them up, it might not always follow the standard dosing that other companies doing. That goes for the maintenance and tapering them down as well.
Yeah, that's really awesome because everybody's journey is not the same. Everybody is different. And I really think that the value of that is that we customize things for you. So it's your own custom weight loss program. And so that's something that it's really hard to find out there, something that's made specifically for you. So if you're interested in learning about what your custom plan might be, give us a call and schedule with us today.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time.